Center for Advanced Manufacturing, CAMPS, really started with the idea that there was nothing out there just for the manufacturing community. So a group of manufacturers got together and said, we want something for us that meets our needs, that talks about the issues we care about.
What I've learned working with manufacturers is that you can feel like you're on an island. Like you have to invent all of the ideas yourself. What CAMPS does is it develops this culture of sharing.
I think the problem with small manufacturers, you don't have the depth of talent, and you are stuck within your little four walls. And being able to get together with a larger group of experts, and you actually can get ideas from them, talk with them about things, explore concepts which you would never have the opportunity or time to do in your normal day-to-day.
It is community without any competition. We have exposure to all different kind of ideas and technologies. We attend the factory tours, we attend the lunch and learns, and it gives you a good insight into how other businesses are doing things and to share ideas even across different industries.
You see something which germinates a train of thought that leads you to a better place. And CAMPS gives you those opportunities as an entrepreneur to grow your business and improve its efficiency.
It is exposure outside your organization to other people in the local market. It is learning about trends going on in manufacturing. It is giving the mid-tier leaders within your organization an opportunity to grow and also connect with other manufacturing professionals in the market.
Out of the Box has been able to meet suppliers and supply chain members that have helped us with our business operationally, as well as meet customers that we have been able to support as part of the manufacturing community. So the benefits are broad-based, and you can join for one reason and find that you benefit in many others along the way.
We've been able to write procedures, we've been able to kind of improve our flow, our manufacturing processes, improve our efficiencies. All of that improvement came through relationships we developed through CAMPS.
We all just want to make each other better and contribute. It's very informal in the best way. It's not intimidating, it's so welcoming, and you really just get a great sense of community from all the members.
The membership returns tangible value in the first year through the savings on the health trust, employee retention, and really very affordable perks through the benefits hub, the events, the networking. Your business is as strong as your network.
When you're surrounded by people that want to really help you succeed, it's a chance to really feel like you're part of something special where you can make a difference and you can actually impact the lives of families and communities and the larger manufacturing community. It's a place to give.